G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝘀, and this episode what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to get any account that you want online for free. Really easy, really simple. Now you might notice, you might say, China, why do you have a face cam? You know, what's the point of a face cam if you're just doing how-tos? And the thing is, all you people that are thinking that, I've decided to update my setup a little bit. I want to start putting more effort into it. Instead of just the screen, you get to see this sexy thing, the background, everything. And I've started with a webcam. I'll eventually go to like a DSLR camera. I'll try and get something better. But for now, you know, I have lights, I have a new mic, headset's still kind of falling apart, but that's okay. I'm getting I got a new chair, a new gaming chair, which is pretty cool. And I'm just updating my setup left, right, and center. And you guys are at the center of it. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how to get free accounts. So you want to navigate to this 𝗃.sx website, and this website, pretty much what they do is they are literally a dispensary account, like a dispensary website. So they give you the opportunity to get free accounts for any online service. So specifically for like subscription-based services, so like Spotify, Netflix, and stuff like that, you can get free accounts via their dispenser section. But what we're going to do is we want any account. So if you go to your dispenser section on 𝗃.sx, you will have most of the popular ones, and they're quite reliable. But there's also another section called other leaks, where it's just a mixture of different like accounts that they get and stuff like that. Not all of them work, but most of them, half of them do. So it's just a matter of just trying them all out. Now, the reason why I haven't really showed you guys this at the start was more so because it's not as reliable, and it refreshes every day, so you won't see the same things every day. So when I'm advertising on my thumbnail, you might not be able to get that till like a week later, or whatever it might be. Anyway, you will see once you go to other leaks, there is a huge table, and what this table is if you see the leak title is pretty much the account, the business. So you have unchecked codes for Steam. So they're literally so it says here 9,000. So times 9,000 means there's 9,000 unchecked Steam vouchers. So you have Steam, 𝗀𝗶𝗂𝗋, Premium, Blinkist Premium, 𝗀𝗶𝗃𝗀 Pro. I know what that is. I don't know how to say it. Pornhub Premium, League of Legends, Roblox, Blizzard, you have McDonald's, Sling TV, Subway. You have a lot of accounts, and what you can do, if this is what you want to go for, let's just say you want to check Steam codes, you click on the URL, and then it'll send you to this page, which is called throwbin. And there's literally just an infinite, well, not infinite, there is about 9,000 different possible codes. Now, if this is the route you want to do and get Steam codes, I would obviously go down to like the middle, because obviously people are going to try the first ones. And I would literally just copy them. I would go to Steam, games, redeem, activate a product on Steam, next, invalid, okay, so it doesn't work, try another one, try that one. Yeah, see, you just got to try them out and see if they work or not. Again, they're unchecked, so there's not a very good chance it's going to work, but they're there. You can literally just try out any of them. It might be a little bit more time consuming, but for something like DAZN or DZN or whatever it's called, literally it's just copy. It's just like the normal dispenser. All you got to do is just copy and paste the email, the password, and there's no human verification. There's no surveys you have to do or anything. You just try them out, and if you want to spend time doing this, go ahead. But for me, I'd just rather buy the account. It's just a lot quicker, and it is what it is. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will bring out more videos just like this where you can see this face, and hope you guys enjoy.